Guys, today I'm going to show you what I've got from the shop. It is DIY Sequin Art from Masterpiece. Come on, let's open and see what's inside. It has 4 printed sticker cards which has different pictures in it. This is the third one and the fourth one. This is the pretty pink owl. It has sequins in 4 different colors and one plastic tool to position the sequins in place on the picture. Instructions are at the back of this package. The colors of the sequins are orange, pink, turquoise and blue. It makes 4 pieces and it's suitable for the kids who are 5 plus. My kid has started making this because she can't wait anymore. Now let's see how to make this. It's very simple. Step 1 is you need to peel the sticker. Step 2 is using the plastic tool. You need to bring the sequins to the place where you are planning to stick it in the picture. Step 3 is continue doing this until you finish it. Actually, one thing you need to keep in mind while making this, it is you should not peel all the stickers at the same time, because it's very hard to bring the sequins inside the picture. So better go with one sticker or one part of the picture at a time. This do it yourself craft is good for your kids because it involves precise hand movements to help kids learn fine motor skills. It also teaches them how to hold and use small items easily. This also makes them very creative and expressive. It's very funful and attractive craft that kids love to make it. It's a good way to ditch the gadgets for few hours. Actually, my kid is enjoying thoroughly while making this sequin art with me. She has decided to go with this two owls picture and she's doing it. She is nearly going to finish it. I hope this video is useful for you to explore good products around you. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Also please post your comments if you like this video. The wait time is over now and finally this is the finished product. Do you like it? Please post your comments. I'll talk to you all soon with another great product. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.